Hello guys, hoping you are doing good. Today I am trying to train my ML model for super resolution. So I realize and remember my times of initially when I doing this ML stuff, and I remembered all these things in which I got stuck, all the problem that I faced. So today I am back with a problem that initially many people faces, which is the working with a JPEG file in Google Colab. But the thing is that many people don't know how to do that. Solution is quite easy, but only if you know. So what I have done, I have already imported the JPEG file from my local directory. If you don't know how to do that, so let's we can upload the JPEG file from this GIF file, sorry, not JPEG. You on clicking on there is a window open, and from here you can import any JPEG file that you want, like this. I have already imported, so I'm not going to import it again. So there is a basic command that we need to use, and already all the thing will be sorted out. This is like this. So it is the basic command. This symbol used for the terminal mode, and this cause that is a notebook, so we have to go into terminal mode, and in the terminal mode you have to write unzip and the first address. Let me do it again so nobody got a problem. It's unzip. First when I write unzip, now I have to pass the folder of the JPEG GIF file. So I want to make this to be extracted here. So what I do the copy path. I have copied the path in this. I paste it. Now after this I have to pass the destination path. I will do this, and I can change it like this. I have to put, you want to put in the content folder, you can. If you don't want to do that, you don't do that. It's quite easy. And here I just paste the shift plus enter. Now all the unzipping will be done for me in the backend like this, and there will be a folder. All the zip files that I created will be in the train data folder, which is this. I can see and I can check whether all lines I got imported or not. It's a problem. Yeah, the folder is extracted.